Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Intelligent Test and the topic is comprehensions. In between the comprehensions, the subtopic is letters or means we can say the alphabetical series. Now in this video, we will going to cover the our Navneet Digest exercise number 1.3 which is available on page number 113. So first we will see the question number 1 to 12 in this video and remaining we'll cover in a next video. So please open the page number 113, okay, and please listen carefully. So the question number 1, in the alphabet, which is the letter at the 11th place? 11th place to the right, okay, of the letter H. So from the letter H towards the right, 11th. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and this 11th, so S letter comes. So and this S letters comes from the option number 2. Then the question number 2, in the alphabet which letter is nearer to the R than to K? Now R is here, okay, and the K is here. Now which letter is nearer? Now in a alphabet, in a option, if you see the N is here, then M, then L, and then P. Okay, so first we will check for the option number 1, N. N is here, okay, then M is here, then L is here, and the P is here. So now out of these four, which letter is nearer to the R than the K? So P is the nearer. So P is means option number 4. See the students, everything is in our question, okay, the option also given or the answer also given, the instruction also given, or we can say what we have to find out, that also asked in our questions. So very simple, but just we have to make a practice that what type of the questioning is asking or what tricky questions are sometimes asked, okay, that practice we have to do, and what language has used in our questions, okay, so that do not make ourself something different, means we are going in a left side but in question they are asking for the right side. This is very small things, or we can say the mistakes students always be doing. So this type of the mistake should not be occur, so that's why we have to make the our practice best and the best. So the question number 3, which letter in the alphabet have the same number of the letter between them as that of the number of the letter between H and O? H, where is the H? H is here and the O is here, okay, in between. What is mentioning between the, okay, the letters between H and O, between means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here are the 6. Now we have to check for the options, means the six them same, these 6 letters between the which option, mean in option P and V is mentioned, okay. So P and V, if you counted the P, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 comes, okay, here I just note down the 5. Then A and A and this I. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 comes option number 2. Then D and K, D here and K is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 are comes here. Then option number 4, T and Y, T is here and Y is here. So 1 2 3 4, 4 comes here. Now if we see all the options and our questions, so in a questions there are the 6 alphabets in between H and O, which is equal to the option number 3, means D and K. So the option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 4, in the alphabet, what is the difference between the serial number of the letter P from the left and right end? So P is the letter at here, from the left end, what is the serial number, or we can say the numbering for the P? See here 5 10 15 and 16 here, okay. So from this here, now from the right end 5 10 comes, okay. So this 16 and the 10, if you make the difference, or if you calculate the difference between 16 and the 10, the answer comes the 6, and 6 is mentioned in the, for the question number 4, option number 3 is the correct one. By mistakenly I used this one. Now I make all the clear for this alphabetical series, and now we will going to see the question number 5, in the alphabetical, which is the letter at the 10th place to the right, 10th place to the right of the middle letter. Okay, so which is the letter at the 10th place to the right of the middle letter? Now always we remember M is the middle of this one. How is it? This 5 10. Now here 5 and 10, here the two alphabets and here the two alphabets, means M is always be at the middle place of this, always be by default alphabet series. Okay, now of the M, right toward the right, 10th, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, so W comes, and W is mentioned in option number 4. Okay, now in question number 6, in the alphabet, if the letter from F to P are written in a reverse order, okay, F to P, this has to be reverse order, which letter will occur at the middle place? Okay, middle place. Now currently M is the middle place, but we have to make the reverse order from this one, means other everything we have to make it same. Now only P, so P will comes here. Now the O comes here. Okay, I just note an O, then N, then M, then L, then K as it is, then here the J, I, then H, G and F. Okay, we have make the reverse, means like this one, after this one this comes, and after this one the Q comes instead of this alphabetical series. That is the meaning. Now in this one, middle one, now previously M is there, instead of the M which letters comes? I. So I is now at the middle, and I is mentioned in option number 1. Now the question number 7, from the right end of the alphabet, which letter has the serial number same as that of the serial number of K from the left end? From the left end, okay, K, this letter have the 11th, here the 10th and the 11th. Now same has to be found from the right end. Okay, from the same number, same serial number, we have to find out from the right end. Okay, so here the 5 and here the 10th and here the 11th, so the letter O, and O is mentioned in option number 4. Now question number 8, if the letter I to O, now here I to O in the alphabetical are written in a reverse order two times in a row, two times in a row, and then that is also reversely. So first will comes here O, then N, then M, L, K, J, then I. After two times mean again O, then N, sorry this N, then M, then L, then K, then J, then I. Now which letter will be at the 10th place from the right end? From the right end. Okay, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. So K letter comes. So and K is mentioned in option number 3. Now the question number 9. Which word is formed from the letter at the 10th place? 10th place from the right side. From the right side 10th is P, and the 20th first place, 20th first place from the left. From here 20th first means here the 10, then 20, 21st means U comes left end of the alphabet. So this one comes PU, or we can say the UP. Yes, the meaningful word is the UP, and this is mentioned in option number 2. Now the question number 10, in the alphabet which letter corresponds to the same serial number from the left end and the right end? Of course from the left end or from the right end the same, means one, the middle one means the letter M, and the letter M is mentioned in option number 3. That is the meaning, means middle letter we have to calculate. Okay, means from the left and the from right same has to be serial number. Then the question number 11, in the alphabet which place from the right end corresponds to the letter F? Okay, so this alphabet F, for this one same correspondence from the right end. Okay, or we can right end, these letters corresponding for the same serial number we have to calculate from the right. We know 5, then 10, then 15th and this 20th. So this F is from the right end, the corresponding number is the, or we can say the place is the 20th, and 20th is mentioned in option number. Now question number 12, in the alphabet what is the place of the letter which is 10th to the left side, 10th to the left side of the letter, which is 8th from the right end of the alphabet? Okay, first condition we will mark out 8th from the right end. from the right end 8. Okay, so this is the 5 and then this is the 8, then 10th to the left, then 10th to the left. Yes, right end from the alphabet is the R comes, and then which is the 10th to the left side. To the left side means again toward the left side we have to go. Okay, from the right side we calculate the 8th place, and toward the left side 10th. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10th comes means this letter comes, the H letter comes. Okay, and now this is from the right left side. So from the regular side this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is a in a alphabetical series 8th place, and the 8th place is mentioned on option number 4.